Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. Today, we're going to talk about daily English conversation, how to talk about your day.
That's right. If you've ever wanted to speak English about your daily life, like your morning, work, or evening, you're in the right place.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to tell someone exactly what you do each day in simple, clear English.
And don't worry, we'll make it easy and fun. So let's start.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That way, you won't miss any of our English lessons.
Yes, and we love hearing from you. Leave a comment about your daily routine, and we might read it in the next episode.
Okay, Jake, let's start with the morning. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. First, I open my eyes. Then I check my phone.
You check your phone first.
Yeah, I know, it's not the best habit, but I like to see the time and maybe some messages.
I usually stretch first. I say good morning to the new day. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Sounds nice. What about breakfast?
My quick breakfast is a banana. Sometimes I make eggs if I have more time.
Oh, I usually eat toast or cereal very quick.
Listeners, repeat after us. I wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Good. Simple sentences like these are perfect for daily conversation.
After breakfast, I get dressed. I put on my clothes and shoes.
Me too. And I pack my bag if I'm going out.
How do you go to work, Jake?
I take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes.
I usually walk because my office is close. Walking is good exercise.
True. Okay, listeners, let's practice together. I walk to work. I take the bus to school. I start work at 9.
Great job. Remember, you can also say, I go to the office or I go to school.
When I get to work, the first thing I do is make coffee.
Coffee is important, right?
Very important. Then I check emails and start my tasks.
And I usually start teaching my students at 9 a.m.
That sounds fun. What do you teach?
English. I teach kids and adults. Some of them are beginners like you.
Nice. Okay, listeners, here are some sentences you can try. I start work at 9. I study English in the morning. I have a meeting at 10.
And if you're a student, you can say, I go to school or I study at home.
Yes, keep it simple. Short sentences are easier to remember and speak.
After morning work, I usually have lunch at 12:30.
Me too. What do you eat, Anna?
Maybe rice and vegetables, or sometimes a sandwich.
I often eat chicken and salad, or sometimes I eat out with friends.
Listeners, repeat with us. I have lunch at 12:30. I eat rice and vegetables. I drink water or juice.
And remember, you can also say, I eat lunch with friends or I eat lunch at home.
Talking about your meals is a great way to practice daily English.
After lunch, I go back to work. I finish my tasks and sometimes have meetings.
Me too. I teach more classes or check homework.
When do you finish work?
Usually at 5.
Listeners, try to say, I finish work at 5. I finish school at 4:30. I go home at 6.
Great job! And don't forget, if you're enjoying this episode, subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson.
And leave a comment. Tell us, what time do you start work or school? We love reading your stories.
That's the end of this first part. We've talked about mornings, getting ready, going to work, and lunch.
Yes, and we've already practiced many sentences that you can use every day.
Okay, Jake, now let's talk about the afternoon. What do you usually do after lunch?
After lunch, I go back to work. I finish my reports and sometimes I have meetings.
Sounds busy. I usually have afternoon classes. I also check my students' homework and answer emails.
That's a lot. How about a quick break?
Yes, I usually take a short coffee break around 3.
Coffee again. You love your coffee. Ha!
Maybe, but a small cup just helps me stay focused.
Listeners, repeat with us. I take a coffee break. I check my emails. I finish my tasks in the afternoon.
Good job, and remember, you can also say, I study in the afternoon or I clean my room.
After work, sometimes I go to the gym. I like to run or lift weights.
That's great. I usually go for a walk or ride my bike.
Exercise is important, isn't it?
Very, it keeps our body and mind healthy.
Listeners, let's practice. I go to the gym. I take a walk. I ride my bike in the afternoon.
And if you don't exercise, that's okay. You can say, I rest at home or I watch TV. Now, let's talk about the evening. When I get home, I usually cook dinner.
Me too. I like to eat something simple, like rice or pasta.
And sometimes I watch TV while eating.
Oh, me too. What about your favorite shows?
I like comedy shows. They make me laugh after a long day.
Same here. Laughter is important.
Listeners, repeat, I cook dinner. I watch TV in the evening. I relax at home.
Yes, and you can also say, I eat dinner with my family or I talk with my friends.
After dinner, I sometimes read a book or listen to music.
I like listening to podcasts, like this one.
Very meta, but yes, listening helps improve your English too.
Exactly. You can also say, I play games or I practice English.
That's right. Listeners, repeat. I read a book. I listen to music. I play games in the evening.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're enjoying these daily English conversations.
Yes, and leave a comment to tell us about your favorite evening activity. We love reading your answers.
Okay, before bed, I like to take a shower. It helps me relax.
Me too. And I usually prepare my clothes for the next day.
That's smart. I also make a small plan for tomorrow.
Listeners, repeat with us. I take a shower before bed. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I go to bed at 10.
And you can also say, I brush my teeth before sleep or I read a little before bed.
Before sleeping, I sometimes think about my day. I remember what I did and plan for tomorrow.
That's good. I do the same. It helps me feel ready for the next day.
Listeners, try this. I think about my day. I plan for tomorrow. I feel happy before sleeping.
See, you can now talk about your whole day, morning, afternoon, evening, and bedtime.
And remember, practice is important. Speak slowly, repeat sentences, and you will get better every day.
Exactly. And don't forget to comment below. Tell us what part of your day you like most.
Yes, we love hearing from you. It helps you practice writing and speaking English.
Great job today. You're doing amazing.
Jake, we've talked about mornings and evenings before. But I'm still curious. What's your favorite part of the day?
I think my favorite part is the evening. The city gets quiet, the lights come on, and I can finally relax after work.
That sounds peaceful. For me, it's the morning. I love when the sun comes in through the window. I drink my coffee and plan my day.
You're definitely a morning person.
I am, but I like evenings too. That's when I usually call my family.
Oh, that's nice. Listeners, you can practice with us. Repeat after us. I like mornings. I like evenings. My favorite time is night.
Good. Now try to say why. For example, I like mornings because they are quiet. I like the evening because I watch movies.
Great job. See, you're already building full sentences.
Now, Jake, let's talk about something we all have, feelings.
Ah, yes. Every day has different feelings. In the morning, I feel sleepy. In the afternoon, I feel busy. And in the evening, I feel relaxed.
That sounds just like me, but sometimes I feel excited in the morning, especially when I have something new to do.
Same here. Let's help our listeners practice.
Listeners, repeat after us simple feelings you can use every day. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel hungry. I feel relaxed. I feel excited.
Good. You can also add when. For example, I feel tired when I wake up early. I feel happy when I finish my work. I feel relaxed when I listen to music.
Perfect. And don't worry about grammar. Just speak slowly and clearly.
Exactly. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Great reminder. Speaking of communication, we'd love to hear you.
Yes. In the comments, tell us, how do you feel in the morning? Write 1 or 2 sentences.
Hey, before we keep going, if you're enjoying this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe and join our English family. We make learning fun and simple every week.
Okay, Jake, let's talk about weekends, my favorite time.
Me too. Weekends are for rest and fun. What do you usually do, Anna?
On Saturdays, I sleep late, just 1 extra hour. Then, I make pancakes and coffee.
Pancakes. That sounds good. I usually go jogging in the park near my house.
Oh, that's healthy. I wish I could join you, but I prefer walking slowly and listening to podcasts.
That counts too. Listeners, what about you? Say it with us. On weekends, I rest. I visit my friends. I go shopping. I cook for my family.
Perfect. You can also talk about special days, like birthdays, holidays, or family celebrations.
For example, on my birthday, I eat cake. On holidays, I travel to see my family. At Christmas, I decorate my house.
Yes, these small sentences tell big stories.
And if you want to sound more natural, use usually or sometimes. I usually visit my friends. I sometimes go to the market.
Excellent. You're speaking like real English speakers now. Jake, how about you share your full day, like a little story?
Sure. Okay, here's a simple one. In the morning, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth and make coffee. I eat toast with peanut butter. Then I go to work. At noon, I eat lunch with my friend Tom. We talk about football and funny things from the office. After work, I go home. I listen to music or read a book. I make dinner, usually pasta. I call my parents, and then I go to bed at 11.
That's a nice routine.
Thank you. Listeners, now you try. Think about your own day. You can say, in the morning, I. In the afternoon, I. In the evening, I.
You don't need to be perfect. Just speak.
Yes, you can even record your voice. Listen again and try to say it more smoothly next time.
Let's share some easy daily English habits.
Oh yes, I love this part. Okay, first, when you wake up, say what you're doing in English. I'm getting up. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast.
That's great. Second, when you walk or travel, describe what you see. I see a red car. I see children playing. I see the sun.
Nice. And third, before bed, think about your day in English. Just 1 minute. You can say, today was busy. Today was fun. I learned something new.
That's beautiful, Jake. I do that too sometimes. It helps me relax and practice.
Listeners, remember, your brain learns faster when you speak often, even for a few minutes a day.
Yes, you don't need to study for hours. Just talk. Small steps every day make big progress. Okay, let's do a quick speaking practice together. Jake, ask me some questions about my day.
Sure. What time do you wake up, Anna?
I wake up at 6.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs, and sometimes I drink tea.
Nice. What do you do in the afternoon?
I go to work, talk to people, and plan lessons.
And what do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and relax. I usually watch a short movie.
Great joke. Now it's your turn, listeners. Pause the audio and answer these same questions out loud.
Yes, practice speaking, not just listening. That's how you grow. Before we finish, we want to hear from you.
In the comments, tell us, What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do after work or school?
Write your answers in English. We'll check it out.
And if you read other comments, reply and practice together. We're one big learning family.
You did it. You've learned how to talk about your whole day, from morning to night, using simple, natural English.
That's right. You practice daily routines, feelings, special days, and even small stories.
You should feel proud. Every word you speak brings you closer to confidence.
So keep practicing. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun English conversations like this one.
And tell us in the comments, what topic do you want next? Maybe talk about your weekend or English for the coffee shop.
Great ideas.
Thank you for learning with us today. Remember, small English every day makes big change.
Keep speaking, keep smiling, keep growing.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye for now.